Believe it or not, we haven't done a POV drive on this channel where it's strictly just me driving, no edits, no cuts, just some freeway pulls, some city driving, some drifting, and some back roads. So that's what this video is about. Go ahead and hit some back road. Nice. Oh my goodness. All right. Let's not get too excited now. In the rain, these corners would be so fun. But it's not raining, so yeah, I'll start the video when we get to the back roads. It's not a why did you do that, it's why wouldn't you do that. Gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh yeah. Oh, this is amazing. All right. A little bumpier than I remember. Oh yeah. Let's not end up in a tree now. Oh, I love it. Like, man, this guy's laughing too much. Trust me, you would be laughing too. Like, like come on. Look how fun this is. It's like a roller coaster. We can go fast. Oh my gosh. Oh boy. That might be a fun corner to drift when it's raining. car sitting at 6,000 RPM, 7,000 RPM is amazing. Oh my goodness. This car is amazing. Oh, pure joy. Nothing but pure joy. Sounds great. Fun, fast, reliable, driftable. You tell it, it'll do it. That's a definition of open diff. Friendly people, awesome corners. What's free? What a fantastic random find. I mean, what a drive. I've owned this car for about a year now. I'm getting pretty comfortable with the short wheelbase. It's been fun getting to know the car, especially everything with drifting. I do plan to do a whole 1 year in-depth review of everything I've done. And go ahead. Nobody saw that. I only stalled because I wanted him to get through. Anyways, always don't forget to turn off traction and Yeah, so like I was saying before I got interrupted with me stalling, I do plan on doing a whole 1 year review on this car just because I've owned it for quite a bit. One year in-depth review coming up, hopefully soon. See, open diff. Man, this car is such a blast to drive. Second gear almost hit 70 miles an hour. I like how I don't have to even go down to third gear. Fourth gear pulls just enough. Especially when you drive a daily and then you hop into this car, even though it's only like 350 horsepower, the 350 horsepower feels pretty quick. Even after 1 year of owning this car. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. This car is freaking pulls. I mean, it pulls. Like, yeah, like I said, even after a whole year of owning it, it still surprises me. This is a drift car, fun around the corners, and even on just straightaway pulls, it just it makes me smile. I mean, I there's not much I could say. It handles good, it sounds good, it drifts good, it looks good. This car is just perfect. I can't wait to do a 1 year review on it. Do another highway pull, maybe with the windows down. Let's start in first gear just for fun. Traction off, do like a good first gear pull. On this car, if you're going like 20 miles an hour, it's perfect. And we'll get to the highway speeds. Even after 100 for a little V6, this car almost acts like a V8. I really want to race this against a 5.0 Mustang. Sorry, I'm not supposed to be doing any talking, but this car just... it makes me want to say a lot, you know? Woo! I mean, come on! Which I unfortunately went the wrong way. So we got to turn around. The cool part about this car, it's really fun to turn around in this car. Oh man. Oh, this car is so fun. If you like this type of content, go ahead and like and subscribe. And if you do, bad burnout. But thanks for watching. See you in the next one.